Van, we got Bernsey over here taking this apart. Oh yeah, you see there's some janky here that we're gonna deal with later.
Okay.
Just needs the pin really. And I got the right spring coming for it. Actually I have it here. But yeah, it smells nice, doesn't it, Bernsey?
Yeah, it's right.
It smells like some nice varnishy yumminess.
I'm glad. I think I emptied the tank in the 64 Plymouth.
Yeah, because it smelled like varnish.
Yeah.
It turned into varnish. So
that and the motor's got a hole in it, so.
Oh yeah, that'll do it.
All
right, so first order of business here, we're pulling the carb off because it's definitely gummy and nasty, so we're gonna get that apart and clean it and rebuild it. We have a kit on the way. Hey, hurry up.
Yeah. Sorry, master.
Wait a minute. That's later. Anyway. All right, so he's getting the carb off. I might have you just tear it down too, because that's easy enough. Tear it down, throw it in the juice. Okay?
Yes, master.
A little nasty on you?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, ew! Wow. Look
Wow.
at the color of that. It's like yellowish brown.
When was the last time? Somebody
Don't
put some
know.
fresh fuel in that poor thing.
We put a couple gallons in it, but it did sit all summer too. Outside. Oh God, that stinks. Oh. Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Tasty, eh?
Mm-hmm. I don't know if that's the chips or the gas.
Oh, that's the gas, because I haven't had any chips. I can taste it.
Bobby, getting ready for the birds.
I turned around, you thought I was going to hit you.
Tell me that bitch wasn't playing it up.
That was a good picture, though. You got to admit, that's a pretty good picture.
I'll tell you. But Susie is divorced.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm coming over.
So did we get you the pink cowboy hat?
I don't have a big cowboy hat.
Bobby!
Well, that's the Bobby Hill thing up there. Anyway, back to Van's carb. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so it's definitely scuzzy. So, all right, Bernsey. I'm going to move my... I got to finish this today. I'm going to do this real quick today. I'll move my stuff over to this side. Let's go find you a rag and get you started over here. And we'll go from there.
Look who's
Hey,
in
Bernsey, this thing's nasty inside.
It's definitely is.
Ooh. Ew, look at
Oh, crusty.
gooey. Yeah, so let's get that ripped down and let's get it in the drink, eh?
Sounds good to me.
Oof. Oof.
Yummy.
Yummy.
All right.
Carry on, sir.
Oh, you
Oh, I was going to do this one while you do that.
I got you. I got you.
Yeah. Yeah, so we can be together.
Oh, just like that.
Like the old days.
Oh. Except for not cursing and throwing sockets across the garage.
I know that'll happen later.
Oh, okay. Why don't you give me a heads up?
I'm not giving you a head. That's not my job.
Whoa.
Wait a minute.
Whoa.
What? Okay, anyway.
What is it? It's pretty scuzzy. Looks
really-
like somebody's been in here before.
Is it hammered up? Scored up?
That's what it looks like right there.
Okay, when we get this apart, we might have to...
Clean it up with the file.
We'll try if we can't, because that's a sealing surface.
Yep.
We might have to tell him, hey, Van, you're going to need a new carb, buddy. So I might hold off on ordering the kit.
Yep.
Let's get that figured out first. Okay. Good job. Scotty! Sir! Come over here for a second. We need to have a powwow, the three of us. Oh, shit. This is something that somebody has fucked up.
I didn't do it.
No. This is on Van's carb. Come here. And it's on a sealing surface. Bernsey's got the gasket. But look at somebody somewhere that will allow fuel and vacuum and what else. That's bad. Dude, we can't just clean that up because that's a sealing surface for the lid.
Yeah.
So
Can I file that gently?
No, look at the gasket.
Oh,
That ain't
shit.
gonna seal.
No.
Okay,
So can I file that smooth?
I don't think it's going to seal still.
No, it won't seal correctly.
Look at this gasket. Look at the marks in the gasket.
Oh, snap, yeah.
Somebody did something really bad.
They pried when they shouldn't have.
Because they didn't know where all the screws were. Even Bernsey knows where all the screws are.
Yeah, I got them just
Yeah,
fine.
he just rattles my head and fuck, they all fall out.
That's nuts.
Well, you know, hey, same thing. Nuts,
No,
bolts, screws.
That's nuts.
That's nuts.
Hated it.
Anyway, back to serious conversation. Van,
We need a new carburetor.
I think we found part of your issue.
Yeah, we need a carburetor.
So
What size is that?
I'd say
it's a
at least
1405, so this is an 05
what,
is a
650?
05 is a 500.
500.
Oh, say.
It's little for a 390. That's little. This is supposed to be a
probably
1406.
Yeah, we should
Remember, we
upgrade
got
it a
the
little
little
bit.
rock still on my dad's power wagon, the 440.
Yeah, that should be a 750 minimum. It's probably too small though. But anyway, this guy. All right, so Van, I'm gonna send you this. We gotta have a little conversation. Okay, so